morning everyone. We are doing question number 18. In this question you have to make P&L appropriation account, partners capital account. I'll let you know P&L appropriation account, partners capital account you have to make by your own self. I hope you've been able to make it. First of all, we go through with the question. Question says there are two partners P and Q. The capital of P is 5 lakh rupees and Q is 3 lakh rupees. The profit sharing ratio of P and Q is 60-40 is being given there. You can say 6-4 or you can say 3-2. It's a common thing. Okay, the profit for the ended 31st March 2021 is given 7,60,000 rupees. Okay, what we have to pay to the partner? We have to pay interest on capital 8% per annum to the partners. Next thing, we have to pay commission to P 3% on turnover. Turnover means sales. Sales is given in the question 20 lakh rupees. That means 3% of 20 lakh rupees. Salary you have to pay to Q 5,000 rupees per month. It will be multiplied by 12. Commission you have to pay Q 5% of profit. What? After deducting interest on capital from the profit, salary and commission including his own commission. Means from the profit you have to minus interest on capital amount, salary amount and commission if you are given to someone, and including his own commission also. Okay. On whatever profit come after that, on which you have to calculate 5%. Okay. Rent to P you have to pay 20,000 rupees per month for the use of his premises by the firm. Means P has given his premises place to firm for usage, and you have to pay 20,000 rupees rent to P. Okay, this is the expenses of the firm. It will come to the debit side of P&L account. Okay, this will not come in P&L appropriation, or this will not come in partners capital. Drawings is given there. P 40,000 rupees and Q 30,000 rupees. This is the main question. Now we are making P&L appropriation account, profit and loss appropriation account for the ended 31st March 2021. The profit is given 7,60,000 rupees. Okay, from this profit, whatever you have to pay to P, 20,000 rupees per month for the whole year, it becomes 2,40,000 rupees rent. That will be minus. The profit of P&L appropriation is come 5,20,000 rupees. Another thing, you can make small P&L account. In P&L account, you have done credit side profit 7,60,000 rupees. To rent, you have to pay 240, and the balance amount 520 that will be transferred here. And the second option being there, both are right. From the profit, total profit, you minus the rent because it's come to P&L account. It is not minus from this profit. Then we have minus the rent for the whole year. From this, the profit stands for 520,000 rupees. Now we pay what we have to pay to the partner to debit side one by one. First of all, we have to pay interest on capital. 8% of 5 lakh for P, it comes 40,000 rupees, and 8% of 3 lakh for Q, it comes 24,000. Total interest on capital 64,000 rupees. After that, you have to pay salary to Q 5,000 rupees per month. To salary Q 5,000 into 12 stands for 60,000 rupees. Next thing, you have to pay commission to P 3% of turnover, means 3% of 20 lakh rupees. So 3% of 20 lakh stands for 60,000 rupees. Next, commission you have to pay Q. Okay, from the profit, from this profit, what you have to minus? Interest on capital amount, you have to minus this amount, salary, this amount, and the commission you given to the P, this amount. So from the profit, we have minus 64,000, 60,000, and 60,000. It comes 3,36,000. And including his own, we are not doing his commission. Then what we use? The percentage upon 100 plus the percentage will become 105. It comes 16,000 rupees. Okay, that's been very important. So just see it very clearly. All the things being paid. Now what we calculate the remaining profit, and that will be distributed among the whole partners in the profit sharing ratio. 5,20,000 minus all these figures from that. What left? 3,20,000 rupees. This is the remaining profit after paying all the things to the partner. It will be distributed between P and Q in the profit sharing ratio. For P, 3,20,000 into 3 upon 5, it comes 1,92,000 rupees. For P, Q, 3 lakh into 2 by 5, it comes 1,28,000 rupees. Total stands for 3,20,000 rupees. In that way, the question be done. You have to make capital account by your own. I hope you understand. Have a good day. Thank you.